can see a lot of lechoneras here, and there's a lot of salsa music, lechon music going on. That's why you see a lot of people dancing in the streets. The road is going up to Cayey, and you can see a lot of lechoneras along the way. Sounds of Puerto Rico here. And here's one lechonera across, very near the Los Pinos lechonera. And you can feel a lot of bunch of salsa music going on. And you could basically capture the sights and sounds of the place here. And there's a lot of bunch of old folks, usually from San Juan, coming here. See a lot of salsa music going on. Original. And you can see a street in the lechon coming out. You can see the lechon right here. This is Cayey, Barrio Guavate here in Puerto Rico. Alright. Sights and sounds of Puerto Rico. Saya dito. Salsa. Woo! Sights and sounds Puerto Rico right here in Cayey, Guavate.